fam? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy J Reed for J Reed's Love of Cars. We got some modifications we need to do to the Fox body today. Gonna try to do it before it starts raining. It may rain, I don't know. And we got some Amazon shit right here on the vet. But let's just dive right into it. I think I need to get a table or something. So what I need to do today is install my horn. I got a horn for the Fox body Mustang. If you all remember, I changed out my steering wheel and then hooked the horn up. So now I need a relay. I need to get a relay. Where's my relay? I need to find a relay. I think I got an extra one so I can hook up this horn to the Fox body Mustang. No, I don't need a relay. It came with a relay. I got all of my good stuff right here. And let's get to it. Now, before we do that, I guess you're probably wondering, how did that get out here? I gotta fix this. So my door is not on the hinge all that well. And I opened it one day and it messed up the paint right here. So I think what I'm just going to do is just take all of this off, this whole panel off. Might get another one, but for the time being, I don't even think I really need it. So I'll probably just take this off and paint that black too. That's probably what I'll do with that. But in the meantime, let's pop this hood so we can start trying to figure out about the horn. I need to clean this out. As you can see, I already kind of been fiddling, because what I was going to do is just use the existing wiring, which is probably this right here, and hook the horn up to that. It's one of these wires right here. But I remembered I was having problems with the horn anyway. It wasn't working. So I changed my mind again. But who knows, we may see what we can do now anyway to get the horn to working with the existing wires. It could just be a fuse. So I guess I'll check the fuse first in case that's it. So let's do that. Okay, so I have made an executive decision, and we're not going to even worry about that. We are just going to mount up a new horn. I'll find somewhere to put it. I might just put it right here to wherever this is. I don't know what the hell that is, but we may just run it right there. Probably could even use that button. Oh, there goes that. I'll be damned. So yeah, we may just put the horn right there, the button. That's nice and kind of in the way, or I may put it over here somewhere I can readily access it if I need it. May even put it on the steering wheel, but I don't think that's going to work. But anyway, let's get to it. Let's open up the package. So we got the snail horn type R. Yeah. Hoping that worked. The box looks super used. The fuck. Man, look, this shit is already broke. This is going back. It's already broke. This shit used. Look, it look used. Well, folks, this horn is going back. That shit looks used as hell. Sending that back. I've been sending a lot of shit back lately. Should have known that how it was taped up. So the horn is going back. What we may can do anyway, because there shouldn't be nothing wrong with the horns that's in the car. So I may be able to just use my button No fucking wires. I could have swore it said it came with the wire. I could have swore it. I don't know how to hook that up. Made in China. Made in China. This is the wiring harness. Let's see how that's going to work. We already know it's not going to be long enough. So this is the wiring harness for the horn that I bought. At least something looks like it's in somewhat good condition. The relay, which shouldn't be too big of a problem. Let's go ahead and at least get that going. What do you say? So this is what we got so far. I think I'm going to mount this relay right here. Need to tighten it up a little bit. Probably bring the negative over here. And then we got this long ass battery that'll be tucked away over there. It's a battery cable, so that'll be right there. Probably mount the horns somewhere up in here, down in there or somewhere. Oh, there's one of the horns right there. Y'all see that? Actually, that might be perfect. If you look in there, I don't know if you can see it, but there are the horns. So really, all I need to do is to plug the horns, use these horns, and just plug them into the new wiring harness. This may be super simple. I just got to figure out how to get up in here. Probably right there. Shit, ain't nothing holding it in anyway. I'll be damned.